Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Karen, and today I am stuffing some mini challenges, and I am opening up a little Happy Meal, and I want to just go from there. This is what I am starting to collect for my next giveaway. So I am excited about that. I do have some Happy Mail, guys. This is from Budget Stuff, Save and Repeat from Miss Melissa. And she sent me a $10 Amazon gift card. OMG. It's been a pleasure watching your journey. I'm here cheering you on. Happy birthday. Guys, as you know, my birthday was in January, and I had a good time. I didn't do a whole lot, but it was a good time. Okay, and then this is from Nita over at the Almost Organized Owl, and OMG, guys. Okay, so first I have a placeholder, a $500 placeholder. And guys, look at this. This is so cute. It's an owl pen that I will definitely put on one of my binders. Here's a scratch off. This is the Year 2 Sparkle, and it saves up to $45. And I am a part of Nita's Owl's Nest, so here's another scratch off. And then a calendar, guys, with a magnet on it. So this is so cool. Thank you so much, Nita. Wow. So excited, guys. I absolutely love Happy Meal, okay? And then, guys, too excited. Just so sweet, okay? A thank you from Miss V. Hey, Karen, hope you are doing well. Sending out Happy Mail to thank you for supporting my channel. And, guys, here's a paper clip as well. So, guys, please go and support these channels. Miss V's channel, Melissa over at Budget Stuff, Save and Repeat, and then also Nita over at the Almost Organized Owl. Guys, thank you so much. I'm gonna put their channels in the description, so make sure that you go and support them, please. Thank you so much for the Happy Mail. Okay, guys, so this is what we're gonna do. Okay, I have 7 more challenges left, and I can only play with 6 today, right? Or say with 6. So what I'm going to do is see which 6 by getting the numbers. Okay, so there's 3, there's 6. Okay, so far 3, 6. Okay, so guys, let me do this. So we have 3 and 6 that we're playing with today. And then let's roll the 6-sided die for the remaining 4. Okay, so there's a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1. And either 3 or 4. Okay, so 3 or 4. Guys, like, okay, there we go. So 3. And then we will stuff Boop and Budget next time. Yay. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And guys, we have $50 that we want to stuff today. So let's go ahead and get started. So I hope everyone is doing pretty well. I said we have $50, but I did have 2 $5 bills. So I'm not sure if we're going to complete any challenges today, but it will get us closer to completing challenges. So I'm excited. Every dollar counts. And if you've been following me, My number one financial goal this year is to aggressively pay down my mortgage. And then I am saving money into my high yield savings and then also saving for a new car. So the money that I am saving in the minis will transfer over to my high yield savings and my new car sinking fund. Okay. So the last two rows will go to 6 and 6. Yay! Okay, guys, let's see. How did we do here? Our very first challenge is from Purple Glimmer Budgets. And today we save 4, 6, 8. We saved $10 today, guys. So that's super cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that's 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, $27. So guys, that's super cool. Yay. And guys, I've been getting a lot of followers and subscribers this past month. So I just want to say hello and welcome to my channel. I really appreciate you being here and supporting me. $16 here. And so I am going to color in 16. And this challenge is from Hey Kate Budgets. And every month I decided to put in this challenge because this will be a $100 principal payment towards my mortgage. So I decided to go ahead and add one into my mini savings challenges every month, just as an encouragement to make sure that I am focused on my number one goal, okay, which is to pay off my mortgage, because currently I am consumer debt free, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Guys, I forgot how much. 16. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So that's 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. There we go. So we have 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 25, 6, 17, 18, 19, 30, $34 so far, guys. So this is super cool. This says January because I just started to save with this challenge. So again, I want to do every month. So I have to go back and start with January, and then I will hopefully catch up with the current month. This challenge is from Becca Budgets. That's $2, $4, and $6. We have 2, 4, and 6. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 30, $38. So this is super cool, guys. We are closer and closer. I am trying my best to have a mortgage payoff update on Fridays. It may not be every single Friday, depending on how much I am able to pay for the month, but that is the goal. So if that's something that you are interested in, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, guys. So that was 4, 9, 10, 15, 20, and $3 so far for this challenge. So I started with 12 mini savings for the month. And again, once they're completed, hopefully by the end of the month, I will add them to my savings, high yield savings, and my new car fund. Guys, I would really love to be able to outright pay for a new car. Okay, guys, this is $4. We don't have a 4, but we do have a 3. And I'll just leave $1. 5, 10, 15, $21. Okay. So I am praying that my current car, which is still running very well, that, you know, I'm able to save while I have a paid off car, so that when it is time for a new car, I could just pay outright cash for it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, guys. 2, 4, 6, 8, and let's go here with 10. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20, $23 so far, guys. So not too shabby. Now we do have an extra $1. So I am going to put it in the mortgage challenge. Just like that. All right, guys. So, yay. There we go. So, I didn't complete any challenges today, but it did get me closer. And once I complete one of the challenges, I will add Boop and Budget, and this will be the 12th challenge for the month. And I will complete all 12 challenges and then transition them over to my high yield savings challenge and my car savings. All right, guys. Yay. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Miss V, Melissa, Nita, for the Happy Meal. I appreciate you all so much, guys. Please go and support their channels. They are super awesome, and I look up to them while they are saving and paying off debt. They are just the bomb, okay? So go ahead and support their channels as well. And guys, I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.